morning, all of you. Okay, good morning, everybody. Welcome to your online science class, class 1. Okay? Yes. Good morning, everybody. Okay. I am fine, beta. Are you fine, everybody? We are learning about our safety rules and we should maintain safety in all the ways. You know that previous day in our class already I told you for nowadays we can use for our safety because we have to keep us fit and healthy. That's why we always use outside of our house. We use masks, sanitizers, everything, and always eat fresh vegetables and fresh fruits, everybody. That is the way that you should keep yourself fit and healthy. Okay, good morning. Now, okay. Monique, now you can hear me. Okay, everybody, good morning. A very good morning to all of you. Class 1 Oak, our safety rules chapter is going on and we today learn something. Today we learn something more about our safety rules. Today we'll practice 2 activities today. Okay? So are you ready today with your pencil, eraser and science copy? Oh, I'm fine, beta. Everybody's are with me. Okay. Okay, ready? Okay. Today we will draw something at first. Okay? Then what we have to do, we circle some objects that we should play with it. Okay? You can't hear me properly. Okay, everybody kindly mute your video, mute your sound system and off your video. Other than the picture will be hazy, sound will be not properly. Okay? This is not the book work, beta. This is your class work and this is only in copy work. Okay? This is not in, it is not in your book. So we'll do as a copy work today. Okay? So now we will do, put the heading at first, class work date, put the class work and date. Okay? Then put the heading safety rules, SAFETY, safety rules. RULES. We should write down safety rules. Okay. Now, okay, yes, good morning, everybody. Now, previous already some classes we learned more about our safety rules. Today we'll do, write the heading with me. This is this main heading, safety rules. You will write down and subheading circle. You will write down circle, CIRCLE, circle the objects, OBJECTS. Circle the objects that we play with, that we play with. Okay, circle the objects that we play with. Put the heading at first. Okay, then we'll draw the pictures and you will circle. See, this only your part you will do. You will just do this at first. This is not the book work, Sharanya. This is copy work. Okay. So it is not mentioned in your book. You will do in your copy this one. You have to write down all that things. Okay. Okay, now you will do with me. At first, draw a pin with sharp nail. Okay, draw a pin with sharp nail. Then you will draw a ball. Okay. Next, you will draw teddy bear. Okay, draw teddy bear. Yes, we should not play with sharp object. Very good. Now you will draw scissors. One, two, three, four. And you will now draw bat. Okay. Another part, you can draw a tennis racket or badminton racket. You can draw this one, okay? Yes, all of that. Now your work is you will circle some objects that we play with it. Okay, this is your work. All that drawing you will draw it by yourself. I know that you can draw all the things now. So students, at first you will draw all the objects and then you will circle. Okay? Teddy bear, pin, yes. Now you will circle and complete that work. Okay? Pin, ball, bat, racket, teddy bear and scissors. Okay? Today's this work you will do at first. Put the classwork date, circle the objects that we play with, and then you will circle these objects. Okay? Yes, badminton racket, scissors, bat, ball, pin and teddy bear. Yes, you circle these objects. Okay, you have completed this one. Okay, Jaseen. Okay, Joreen. Okay. Okay, yes, bat, ball, teddy bear, racket. Very good. Now you can also write down in chat box and you can take the snap and send me on chat box. Okay? Very good. Ba ba ba. Excellent work. Everybody are excellent. Wow. Very good, very good. Now circle objects. Okay, very good. Wow. Very good. Everybody are doing? Wow. Wow. Excellent. Everybody have completed their work. Wow. Very good. Very good. Very good. I am very happy today. All you are doing your class work very easily. Thank you so much for doing all the work very neat and cleanly. Completed? Now we will do a matching. Okay? Now I erase this part of the board. Okay? Now you will write down the heading, match the following. Okay? Now I will erase this portion also. Match the following. Match the following. Match the following. Okay? Match the following. Now write down left side. Do not play. Okay? Then you will give a middle gap. Left side and right side. Okay? At first you will do one thing. Okay, now you will do. Now do not, number 1, do not play. Okay. Number 2, do not jump. Okay. Number 3, so do not play, do not play, do not jump, always walk. Always walk. Always walk. Number 4, play with. Play with. Okay. Number 5. Do not run. Now this side A. On the road. Okay, on the road. B. Toys. C. On bed. D. With sharp things. And E. Footpath. On footpath. So my left side also completed. Okay. Yes. My left side is do not play, do not jump, always walk, play with, do not run. My right side, on the road, toys, on bed, with sharp things, on footpath. Now, first, number 1, we will do with numbers. Okay? So, do not play with, yes, sharp things. Very good. Sharp things, that means number 1, do not play with sharp things. Okay. So number 1 I should put here. Then do not jump. Yes, on the bed. On the bed. Okay, on the bed or on bed. Okay, whatever, do not jump. Number 2 is here. Number 3, always walk. Yes, very good. Always walk. Number only you can give me, okay? Always walk on footpath. Number 3 is here. So number 4, play with. Yes, play with. Play with. Yes, play with. Yes, completed. Very good. Yes, toys. Very good. Play with toys. 4. It is here. And do not run. Do not run. Number 5. Do not run on the road. Yes. So 5 it is here. So we have completed. Do not play with sharp things. 1 with D. Do not jump on the bed. 2 with C. Always walk on footpath. 3. Play with toys. 4. And do not run on the road. Okay? Wow, very good. Those who have completed, you are already completed everything. Very good, very good. Very good, students. Okay. Very good. All. Okay. Okay, everybody have completed. Wow, very good. Okay, so I hope all you will enjoy this class. Yes or no? So always if you will follow the safety rules and tells everybody to follow all the safety rules, then you will be always happy and your life will be happy. Okay, your life will be happy. Thank you very much. If you enjoy this class, I'll be also feeling very much thankful and very much glad I'm feeling. After so many days we meet again, so that's why. Okay, today. So, for today's class, we will close now here. Again we will meet with another class. Okay, so wow, everybody are giving the right answers. Very good. That means you are learning at your home. I am now feeling very much glad for this. Okay, the next day I have just a homework for you. Okay, so till now the season is autumn and you will draw a picture related with autumn. Listen carefully, each and everybody. This is science class and EVS class, also related with all these things, just like nature. So you will draw something just related with nature. That means related with autumn. That means what we will tell, kashful, lotus, shiuli, whatever the flowers you can do. Okay. Now nature is telling us that this is autumn season and we should do something. We are now in home, so that's why we will also do. In a drawing copy, you will draw these things in big size and color also all these things. Okay, just like kashbon or kashful and lotus with color. Okay, and shiuli also you can do. Okay. Now this class up to this much. Again we'll meet next day. Okay. Thank you for today's class. Everybody, bye all of you. Bye all of you.